Hello, this is Sammy for Comp4601. This is for the Lab 1 recording. The only member in my group, so you don't have to worry about the others. Let's get started, I guess. So you can see here we have the home page. This is just get slash. There's nothing special about it, so we're going to move on from this pretty quickly. And obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is to get the products. And in this case, we're just going to use it through Postman the first time. And you're going to see it's going to give us back a JSON response of the entire list of everything in the store. If we want to try actually from here doing it via HTML to prove that we can serve that, you can see I've already gone through and looked up a few of these. You can see as well we're doing get/product/product ID, and you can see everything about these products here and see which ones are in stock, which ones aren't in stock. But probably more important right now is being able to get reviews for the products. Or actually, no, that's later. For now, we want to be able to post a product. This is a bit more important, I would imagine. And to do so, I'm going to use it through the Postman client. I don't have a way from like forms to do it. I'm kind of lazy, so we're going to deal with this for now. You can see I have to post myself as a product, and it is working. You see I get a JSON response here. And if we go over here, you can see actually it's already added me. I am now a product in the system. I'm pretty expensive and there's not much of me left, supply and demand. But what about trying to review a product? So in this case, or actually let's first get the reviews for a product. In this case, the route for that is products/product ID/reviews. In this case, I'm going to look for the Tasty Cotton Chair, I think it is. Oh yeah, this one, Tasty Cotton Chair. You can see in the JSON there is absolutely nothing here, and that's because this product doesn't have reviews yet, but we will post one soon. Oh, I made a typo. Products/0/reviews. You can see here it looks basically just as empty as the last page. It's because there are no reviews, like I said. So let's actually post one. I believe I have it fast forwarded here, so you can post a review for product 0. We're going to give it a 7. It's a pretty good chair. And now if we want to actually do it through here, well, we can first of all see now it's updated in the products, and we should be able to post, or not reviews, / its ID, and then / it's not going to give me the recommendation, /reviews. You can see it's got a 7 now. We can try it again, post another review. Should be able to refresh it. We see 2 7s. Looks pretty ugly, but it is functional. What if I try to, though, post something greater than 10? I want to give it a really, really high rating. I don't know if this is going to break anything. It will not break anything. That is because we are just sending a bad request. Nothing will have changed here. I was just worried that it wouldn't accept something this big. I don't know how big it supports it. I can't remember. But yeah, you can see it's validating it. And now we've posted a review. We've looked up a review. We've posted a product. We've seen all products. I think that should be everything. I guess except, of course, for the lab reflection questions. So you can see the resources I've got are products, product IDs, and reviews. We use get when we're viewing resources. We use post when we're creating them. You can see the routes listed here. So //products/products product ID /products product ID reviews. Whenever we want to look up something and it's successful, we're sending a 200. Whenever we're creating something and it's successful, we're sending a 201. Whenever something is unsuccessfully looked up, which I guess I didn't show off, so we're going to try it now. Let's say we want to view products 16. I think I posted myself twice. Let me try doing 17. Yeah, see, now you can see page error 404. We have not found this item. Sucks to suck. We have a really tiny inventory. If we try to create something unsuccessfully, so we're going to try this, I guess. Let me Control Z. So say, for example, I like misspelled the word name, if it will let me type again. Right, name E. You can see 400, bad request. So on unsuccessful lookup, I said 404. On unsuccessful creation, we have a 400. As this is a bad request, I'm pretty sure there's also another thing in lab 2 it says we're supposed to call this, but I hadn't read that until I had already looked up the codes myself, and I thought 400 was suitable, so my bad on that. But my justification is the request is bad because we formatted something wrong. I'm just going to look to see, did we do everything? I think we've done everything now, right? We've looked at products, looked at products, posted products, looked at reviews, posted reviews, and that should be it. I have shown that it is accepting everything that I can throw at it, which is in essence both HTML and what's it called? JSON. We can see if we want to look at the HTML from Postman, easy peasy, although we did it from the web anyway. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe or something. Have fun grading this. Okay, so I'm realizing I did forget one thing, so we're going to attach this on at the end, and that is how to search products. Not just by ID, but by name and by in stock or not. So let's give that a go. So you can see now we've added the parameter name equals tasty cotton chair. Let's fire it away. Results, tasty cotton chair, exactly what we expect. We see the reviews is still there. I have not rebooted the server or anything, so the 7s are still chilling in there. But let's see. Okay, what if we want something in stock? I mean, in this case, it is in stock, so we're going to get back the exact same thing, but we're going to do it anyway. And I believe it was what? In stock. I can always look it up in a second, but this should be capitalized equals true. You can see, wow, look, it's the exact same thing. That's because it's in stock. But say we want to be weird and we want to look for anything that is not in stock. Well, there are no tasty cotton chairs that aren't in stock. There were 21 of them before, so it does not meet our criteria. In this case, if you want to know more about the search, it's really basic. It's not a regex. It's just literally, does the name match this exact string? I'm too lazy to do more. Sorry about that. Maybe next time. But yeah, that is us getting that back. If you want to look at it through Postman to see the JSON, let me actually go back and change the headers over. So we should be able to do products name. And I'm just going to put my mic down and copy paste this. Because this would be annoying to type. And as you can see, we got back a tasty cotton chair. If you want to prove that it is working completely, you can copy this over and this over, send the request, and there are no products, so we got back an empty array. All right, now that is it for real. Let's go.